Curt Maly. I am the co-founder of Black Box Social Media, and we've spent a lot of money in Facebook ads over the last 10 years. Lots of money. We have trainings and group trainings, and I have clients that are celebrities and who's who, and pretty much that's all you have to know. I am surrounded by 800 amazing people in New Jersey that are changing lives, and this is what I love to do.
Over the last 2 years, we've helped thousands of people.
I don't spend my time with people, I invest my time with people. I'm not spending my time with you, I'm investing my time with you, because what I'm looking for is great change.
I don't know anybody else quite as amazingly creative as Curt Maly is.
So Curt Maly, what can I say about this dude? Generous, smart, always been there, blessed to call him a friend.
Curt has absolutely changed my life.
All it is about being consistent and having the right message. It's a huge opportunity that lots of people are missing right now. I've shown people how to tell a story, how to increase their engagement, from that engagement, how to increase their relevance. Once they increase their relevance, how to discount their ad cost at over 80%, all by telling a story. There's no one weird trick, there's no one mega hook, there's no split testing 500 different creatives to try to get the best audience out of 50 different audiences. It's all done easily by telling the right story.
Curt's been a massive impact in my life. He's helped me not only how to scale traffic, but just how to be a really, really good person.
Revolutionize your marketing. Unequivocally change your business forever.